let's make some delicious, crispy and easy chicken strips into the air fryer. Now if you get your seasoning right on the chicken, that's half of the battle won. And in this situation you want to start with the seasoning because you want to give that chicken a bit of a chance to absorb some of those flavors. And if you can do this and leave it for like half an hour to an hour, even better. And we're starting with about 1 teaspoon of table salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dry oregano, garlic granules we're going in with 1/2 teaspoon, and last but not least 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now mix everything together until well combined, and if you don't like the rest of the ingredients, you can well use just salt and pepper, but that's kind of boring. Now chicken, and we've got here 2 chicken breasts and we're gonna cut these into strips. Now seasoning, and we're gonna try to season these all the way around. Now set this aside and let's get ready the rest of the ingredients. Now to prepare the dredge station, aka the panning station, we need the following ingredients. A cup of all-purpose flour or plain flour. A cup of breadcrumbs, and in this situation I'm using panko breadcrumbs. It's great, it's more aerated, it gets nice and golden, it gets better texture, but it also comes at a price. It's double the price than a regular breadcrumb, so if you don't want to go that crazy, just go with regular, you should be fine. 2 whole eggs. And with these, we're also gonna add a dash of water. And to the eggs, I'm adding the remaining seasoning from when we prepared it earlier, which is no more than 1/4 teaspoon, and we're gonna beat these eggs properly. Now I know there are other people adding seasoning to the flour and to the breadcrumbs, but we added quite a bit on the chicken itself, so we're not gonna go that crazy. Now let's go through the panning or dredging and what do we need to do in order to get it right. And the first thing that we wanna do is coat the chicken in flour. And just make sure that it's coated all the way around. And from here we're gonna go into the egg. And again, make sure that it's well coated into that egg mixture. If it's not, then you're gonna have issues getting the breadcrumbs stuck to it. Now when it comes to the breadcrumbs, you can actually do this process twice. So you can go back into the egg and then back into the breadcrumbs, because this way you're gonna get a thicker crust, if that's what you're looking for. And also by doing it this way, your chicken will be more protected during the cooking process, keeping more moisture inside. Now I'm gonna set up my air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius or about 400 Fahrenheit. Now we can go in with the chicken strips, but just make sure that you separate them slightly so they have enough space to cook all the way around. And we're gonna also spray a bit of olive oil, making sure that the chicken gets nice and golden brown in color. And we're gonna cook our chicken for about 10 minutes, but halfway through the cooking process, we're gonna flip it, making sure that it gets cooked all the way around and nice and golden brown in color. Now, if you enjoyed this simple recipe, I've got another one right here on how to make pork schnitzel into the air fryer. And if you wanna pair these with an amazing portion of fries into the air fryer, I'm gonna have a recipe for you right here. And I'll see you in the next one.